How to draw a Roomba. Step 1. Grabbing the supplies. You can grab a paper and pencil or some piece of technology like a computer. Step 2. The drawing begins. Start by drawing a circle. Then draw a circle underneath that circle. Now proceed to draw the bumper sensors. Now add the brushes. To add that Roomba feeling, we will now add the buttons in the centers on top of the Roomba. Finally, we will touch up the drawing in color if you really want to. Here's what mine turned out like. And, if you're wondering how long it took to animate this, it took around 4 hours. I hope you liked this drawing tutorial. Come back if you want to see more.